FIFA World Cup 2026 is here. 48 teams, 104 matches, and one champion. Billions of people have their predictions. Experts have their opinions. And your uncle has his conspiracy theories. But what does artificial intelligence think? Today I asked three most powerful AI tools on the planet, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. One simple question. Who will win FIFA World Cup 2026? Before we get into predictions, let me tell you why AI predictions actually matter in football. This is just not a fun experiment. AI is already being used at highest levels of football right now. And FIFA uses AI-powered cameras in every World Cup stadium that track every single player and ball 25 times per second. That's not slow motion replay. That's real-time data collection happening live during the match. Top clubs like Manchester City, Real Madrid use AI tools to scout people, analyze opponents' weaknesses, and even predict injury risk before it happens. Companies like Google DeepMind have built AI systems that can predict match outcomes with remarkable accuracy based on historical data, team form, and player stats. So when I ask these AI tools for a World Cup prediction, they are not just guessing. They are drawing from decades of football data, tournament history and team statistics, player form and more. This is going to be interesting. Let's start. So here are three AI tools that I'm testing today. Number one is ChatGPT by OpenAI. Prompt shown on the screen. So I'm writing based on historical World Cup data, current team form, squad depth and tournament performance. Who do you predict will win the FIFA World Cup 2026 and why? Give a detailed analysis. Okay, so ChatGPT has made its prediction and it's going with France to win the 2026 World Cup. And it's not just a random pick. Look at its reasoning. It gave a full probability table, France at 18%, Spain at 17%, Argentina at 14% and Brazil at 13%. And the most interesting fact, even the top pick only has 18% chance. That's how unpredictable this World Cup is. ChatGPT is essentially doing what a football analyst does, but in 10 seconds. Interesting start. Let's see if Gemini agrees. Number 2 is Gemini by Google. Now Gemini is special for this test because Google gives it access to live web search. That means it's not just working from training data, it's pulling current information, recent match results, injury updates, team news from last few days. Let me ask it the same question. Gemini says France as well, but with a very different angle. While ChatGPT focused on historical dominance and probability percentages, Gemini went deeper into beating odds and tactical identity. It highlighted France at 9 of 2 odds as the outright beating frontrunner Spain at 6 of 1 and made a strong case for England at 8 of 1, calling them the tactical dark horse under Thomas. That England call is interesting. ChatGPT barely mentioned them as a serious contender, but Gemini is giving them a real shot. The biggest difference, ChatGPT spoke like a data analyst. Gemini spoke like a football pundit. Same winner, totally different reasoning. Number 3 is Claude by Anthropic. Alright, Claude by Anthropic, this one is I was most curious about. And before I even show you the answer, look at what Claude did differently. I did just ask it a question. Claude actually went and studied 50 plus articles, live match reports and real tournament scores before giving me its answer. ChatGPT gave me historical data. Gemini gave me betting odds and tactics. Claude said, wait, let me actually read what happened on the pitch first. That's a different level of analysis entirely. And the answer, France again. But here's where the Claude completely separates itself from other two. Claude didn't just predict, it grounded every single point in live tournament. It flagged that Messi opened with a hat-trick against Algeria, becoming joint highest World Cup scorer ever with 16 goals, and called Argentina the most dangerous team to bet against. It pointed out Spain's biggest scare, 27 shots, 2.29 expected goals, 0 scored against Cape Verde, and warned that Spain is currently leaning on potential rather than proof. And it even got something nobody else mentioned. Germany's 7-1 demolition is already the tournament's high watermark for dominance. Claude isn't it just predicting the World Cup, it's reading the World Cup as it's happening. This is the difference between an AI that knows football and an AI that is watching football. Honestly, best analysis I have seen so far. So which is the best AI? Let me break it down honestly. ChatGPT came in like a data scientist. Clean, structured probability table, historical patterns. France at 18%, Spain at 17%, Argentina at 14%. If you want a quick and confident answer backed by numbers, ChatGPT delivers. But it felt like reading a report written before the tournament even started. Gemini came in like a football pundit, betting odds, tactical breakdowns, called England as a dark horse at 8-1 when nobody else did. It had real-time information which made it feel more current and relevant. But it still felt like a pre-tournament analysis, just with fresher data. And Claude came in like a football journalist who actually watched every single game. It studied 50 plus articles, live match reports before even forming an opinion. It knew Mbappe's exact goal tally. It caught Spain's XG collapse against Cape Verde. It flagged Germany's 7-1 demolition. It tracked Messi's hat-trick in real time. While ChatGPT and Gemini predicted the World Cup, Claude was reading it. So for me, the winner is clear. Claude, best overall analysis. Gemini, best tactical breakdown. ChatGPT, best quick structured answer. But here's the thing that blew my mind. All three AI predict France. Three completely different tools, three completely different approaches, one answer. When AI systems train differently, accessing different data, using different reasoning, all land on the same answer. That's not coincidence. That's a signal. France better not let us down. But let's zoom out for a second. What we just did, asking three AI tools to predict a football tournament, is actually a glimpse into future of sports. In 5 years, every major football club will have an AI analyst on staff. Coaches will use AI to make real-time substitution decisions based on players' fatigue data. Referees will be assisted by AI that tracks every foul, every offside, every contact instantly. And fans will have personalized AI that gives them live tactical analysis during the match. Football and AI are colliding, and World Cup 2026 is just beginning. This is the most exciting time to follow both football and technology. And if you are watching this channel, you are already ahead of the curve. Now I want to hear from you. Drop your prediction in the comments below. Let's see if you beat the AI or AI beats you or both wins. And if you want prompt and complete breakdown of the predictions by ChatGPT, Claude and Gemini, I've added the link in the description. You can check from there. If you have enjoyed this video, smash that like button. It generally helps the channel to reach more AI fans. Subscribe if you are interested in AI and tech. I will see you in the next one.